Hello and welcome to the course How to Complete the Electronic Register Correctly. This course is dedicated to the Italian teachers of the Studio Italia language school in Budapest, Hungary. As you know, our school has recently equipped itself with a new electronic register, developed specifically to meet our particular needs. Completing the new electronic register correctly is a practical necessity of our school, as it allows us to better standardize our teaching styles within a single teaching methodology and helps to monitor the quality of teaching at our school. Furthermore, as you know, the compilation of an electronic register is also a recent legislative obligation from the Hungarian Ministry of Education. When you enter the activities in the new electronic register, you will need to fill in various specific fields, some very intuitive, and others less intuitive. During this course, we will see in detail the most problematic points of the electronic register, and we will resolve in advance the doubts that may arise when completing the electronic register. During the course, we will propose useful learning materials, including reading texts and infographics, watching videos, and listening to audio materials. The teaching methodology that we want to use for our course is cooperative style. This means that after using any educational material, we will ask you to participate in forums and discussion activities, so that we can share thoughts, ideas, and opinions on what you have just learned. Access methods and instructions will be shared from time to time within the course itself. In the first module, for example, we will focus our attention on two fundamental concepts of teaching a foreign language in a class of language learners. In our first module, we will initially address a fundamental distinction in our work as language teachers, the difference between language learning and language acquisition, two different but complementary ways of learning a language. Subsequently, we will talk about the succession of language learning phases, from the moment of the presentation of a new theme, be it grammatical, lexical, or functional, to the moment of free reuse by the students. At the end of each module, you will have to pass a quiz made up of a variable number of questions of various types, with multiple choice questions, reordering and matching exercises. At the end of the last module, you will also have to pass a final assignment. This assignment will be the creation of a fictitious lesson lasting 4 hours, built starting from the vision of the pages of the electronic register of the previous 3 lessons. In addition to creating the lesson plan, you will also have to write a test, in which you will explain in detail the why of your choices. To pass the intermediate quizzes and the final assignment, you must obtain a score of at least 80% of the total points. By the end of the course, you should have completed all the interactive discussions, the intermediate quizzes, and the final assignment, demonstrating a solid understanding of the key elements required to successfully complete the new e-register. Let's get started.